That is not me again. Oh. You gotta stop it.
I'm showing them the vapor now. Is it hot? It's not hot.
It's not hot. Come. It's not hot.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Anthony Essien. So today's video is about me making my hair. Yeah, that is it. So this is my first time of doing this on this channel, and this is even the first time of me making my hair by myself. Yes, by my own self. So it's funny. Yeah, I'm using these two attached. One is blue and one is red and black. I wanted to use only this, but I found out that I don't have enough, and only this one pack like this will not be enough, so I have to, these two colors will go together. I wanted to welcome you people in my video before I remove my shower cap, because you don't want to see what is under this. So let's do it now. My hair in a thread overnight, because I don't want to use any heat to straighten my hair. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video. Yeah, so guys, I've done losing the back side. Let me show you guys how it looks after losing it at the back side. That is it. So excited about this video, yeah, and I hope my kid sis will be excited. I hope I will finish it before she is back. So I'll be using this jam to divide my hair. Let's get started. See you guys later. So guys, I've started. This is the first one. I hope I got it right. So let's do the second one together. Yeah. I'll apply my jam shine. I think it's better for me to back the camera like this, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I said I'll be mixing the color. This one is blue, black and blue, and the second one will be black and red. At the tip, I'll apply my jam so that my natural hair can slip, go into the extension very well. Into natural is that because of the water here in Germany, though maybe some people hair and it's breaking our hair, so we have to change our hair from relaxed hair to natural hair, and it's grown very fast. Imagine me, this hair is 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. Sorry guys, my dad called, so since I'm using my phone, so I'm expecting calls. So as I was saying, so that makes us to change our hair to natural hair, and it's grown very fast. Yeah, just 1 year, and my hair is so full. And not just growing natural hair is the thing, you have to maintain it. Yeah, waste money on it. So see you guys later. Let me go and attend to my daddy. Yeah. So guys, let's do the third one, and I want to do it with you guys. So guys, this is the last part of it. This is the last part of it. So this is the hair. Yay, I'm done. This is it. So now have to boil hot water. Oops. I put the towel. So I'll be back to show you the final look of it. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because you got to rake my hair. You. I'm done. I'm done. So this is the part I have to welcome my kick sister. Hot water. Hi. So I have to welcome her. You know you can't do this part by yourself, but if you can do it, kudos. But me, I cannot.
What's wrong with this pill? Like, don't mind the pill, right? Is it pill? Bucket?
Bucket, pill,
Whatever.
rubber, plastic.
Plastic.
You never use towel. See towel. I say you should put it inside the other plate now,
But
so
this
that you
one
can
is
hold
better
it.
now.
Parts of my body.
Is this not this one? Is it not this one you used to use for me? This is not fucking actual like that. So one side first, right?
One first side. One side.
One side first, right?
Yeah.
You ready?
See towel now. Won't you use the towel?
How will I grab the hair there?
Oh God.
Babe, chill.
Chilling is me. Oh.
Chill. Just chill, right? My hand is just here.
Yeah, I know. I want to put this. Should I? Yes. let's end it here before I will sleep off.
Alright, that's all.
You guys need to see the front.
Oh.
Yay! Banana, that's me. This is my handwork. I made it by myself.
You get to style it some other time. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, maybe take it all off and do it however you want to. Literally that way. Oh, just as if you want to. I'm out, guys. Bye.
Yeah. Cheers. Bye. Thank you.
Not the bomb.
So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure, let me draw the camera near. Oh god. Okay, so this is the final look of the hair. I guess I tried. My first time of doing my hair by myself, though the cutting is somehow, but I promise you guys, next time it will be perfect more than this. So give me some thumb up. Yeah, I gotta dance. So let's end this video here right now. So rate my hair, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Positive comments. And please subscribe. Subscription is free. Thank you. Love you. Mwah. See you guys on my next video.